The problem I have is that sometimes when I go into designing stuff and trying to make sure that something looks a little bit better than it was, it takes way too much of my time because I lose track of time. And that's what really happened today, unfortunately, where in the morning I scheduled a meeting with Nick Yuruka and Surendra to talk about the new API. So I wanted to make sure that both parties are taking part in that meeting, so we exactly know what is going to be developed and that both parties are happy with what we need to develop. But because of that, I told them, and they really asked for, the prototype of what, like how that whole functionality, how that whole flow will look like. And I said, yes, of course, I'll do it. It shouldn't take me an hour, but it ended up that it's quite a big functionality. It's a lot of screens, and yeah, it took me way too much time. We finished the meeting around 10, and I finished the designs, the prototype around 2:30, maybe even 3. So yeah, all of my plan that I had on creating the videos today and posting them are lost, unfortunately. Didn't do much, didn't post, didn't really schedule a lot, because that's my goal really right now, to make sure that I schedule for the whole November enough videos and create enough videos and create enough posts, carousels. So all of that stuff that I was showing a few days ago, the whole plan that I have for social media for Uniflow, the goal right now is to actually execute on it and create all of those content, create those videos, those posts, and schedule them. So for the whole November, I can really focus on contacting investors or just maybe responding to people and talking to customers. So I have free hands and I don't have to really do that. And so maybe last week of the November I will actually focus on creating again content. But again, I first need to get to the stage where I actually am able to create enough content within 1 week, so I have enough of it for the whole month. But right now it looks like it's going much slower than I was expecting, and it's probably because I'm doing also a lot of different stuff. Another thing today is that I just got response an hour ago from Apple, and they asked me for the demo account. And the problem is that we don't have a demo account because the app is completely decentralized. So we didn't create the demo account, as we do not store any data on the database. And so now the problem is that that's the last step for the Apple to release our application, and we don't have that option. So it feels like we need to develop that on Monday or Tuesday or as soon as possible and really push it to Apple Store again, and then maybe we will have to wait another, I don't know, week or so. So I'm not super happy about that. I partially knew that may happen, and I was trying to push Ravin to actually develop that, but it doesn't feel like it has been done so far. So yeah, so that's from those bad news. But still, they were asking a lot of weird questions at the end. Like, I've been messaging with them for the whole week, back and forth. They've been replying to me once a day. I wouldn't say it's the best, interaction with them. But again, like, I was expecting it's going to take at least 2 weeks, and so far it's just been first week. So I'm okay with that. I think 1 week. Maybe it's already second, to be fair. I will have to look at the videos that I recorded previously to see where I actually posted that up. But I think it was last Friday. So yeah, so that's where we are. In terms of the setting up the social media, a few days ago I said that I've set up the social media, which is true, But I didn't mention how difficult it was actually to remove the account from Instagram, because I wanted to remove one of the accounts and create a completely new one, and way too difficult. Without a video on YouTube I wouldn't be able to do it, because you need to actually go to settings, then you need to go to the different page, then it takes you to the different page, it's showing you a link, then you need to click that link, go to different links, scroll down, scroll up, click this, click that, then pop up that something. It's literally 15 steps at least, where you actually can at the end say, yes, I would like to delete my account. Mind-boggling. Why is it? I mean, I know why it's so difficult, but literally without the YouTube video it's nearly impossible to do that by yourself, because the instructions are not as clear as they should be as well. So you really need to want to delete that account. Selling data, huh? That's what it is. Anyway, thank you very much for today. Thank you for joining. As always, I see you tomorrow.